Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create forms using the Google Forms app. Typically, the forms are designed like this and are mainly used to gather information, conduct surveys, or create quiz. Form consists of two main components. They are like questions as well as the fields. Questions looks like this. Okay, questions are usually clear, easy to understand, and they are in the short format. And these are the fields. Fields are used to enter the response for the question. Let us move forward and try to create a Google form. Google Forms is a free app which is used to create or design the forms. Google Forms are available in the menu of the Google Chrome. When you click on this menu, you can get to see all the apps that are developed by the company Google. Here is the Forms app. In short, we can call this app as a G Forms as well. That is Google Forms. Let us open this Google Forms. When you open the Google Forms, the interface looks like this. And if you want to create a new form, you need to click on this plus option. When you click on this plus option, you will be provided with a empty form and which will be having two fields. That is like first field is used to provide the title for your form, and the second field it is having the multiple choice field. If you don't want this field, you can delete this as well by using the delete option. When you click on the delete option, the field gets automatically delete. If you would like to give the title for your form, you can give the title over here. Student. I am naming my form as student information. And if you would like to give the description for this form title, you can give the description as well. Moving forward, if you would like to take a new field, you need to click on this plus option. The name of this option or the tool is add question. That means it is used to add the question to your form. Let me just click on this plus tool and you will be provided with one default field, that is a multiple choice. Here I would like to take the field for the name. Usually this multiple choice never fits for the name. If you would like to take some other fields, you can just click on this drop down and you will be provided with all the possible fields. For the short answer, we can prefer, for the name, we can prefer short answer field. I am selecting that field and you need to give the question in this question field. My question is like name, to get the name from the student. And let us preview the form how it looks like till now. You can just click on that preview button over here. This is the preview button or the preview tool. If you click on that preview tool, you will be provided with the preview of the form. Till now our form looks like this. This is a question and this is the field to enter the response. And then let us create some more fields. I would like to give the field for the phone number. For the phone number also, mostly the short answer is preferable. What would be the question? The question would be like just phone number. We don't need to write the whole question like what is your phone number and all that. Just one short keyword is enough for the forms. And here, short answer, it is showing that it takes a text, but usually phone number won't be in the form of text. It should be in the form of numbers. You can validate the responses as well. Just click on this options, more options tool and go for the response validation. Here you can validate the response by stating that as a number Okay, here these are the options available in the drop down. Our phone number should be the number, and it is not like greater than and less than. Is this number or not? It needs to check whether user is entering the number or not. And if the user is not entering the number, and if the user is trying to give any text, it needs to show the error, right? You can type the error message here, or you can provide the error message here. Enter valid phone number. Okay, now let us preview the form. Till now our form looks like this. Here we have given the response validation, and let us check whether it is functioning or not. Let me try to give the text. When I am trying to give the text, it is showing me the error message which I have provided here. And if I am trying to give the numbers, yes, it is considering the numbers. And you can give the more validation as well. Okay, now let us go and create a field for the gender. For the gender, obviously, we take the multiple choice itself, that to the radio button multiple choice. What is the importance of the radio button multiple choice? Is like with the radio buttons, we can we can select only one choice. We cannot select multiple choice. Okay, obviously for the gender we cannot select multiple choice. I'm just giving the question like this, and I'm changing the option names. I'm giving the male as the option, first option. Add option. Okay, it is automatically giving the female option. And if you would like to give a other option as well, you can take the other option. Or if you don't want to provide the other option, you can remove this as well by clicking on the cross. Okay, only these two options are available. Let us preview that. Okay, till now our form looks like this. Okay, now let's move forward and let's create another field which is used to take like sports. Okay, for the sports, students needs to select more than one sport. Okay, to select multiple choice we need to consider the check boxes. Okay, check boxes allows you to take multiple choice, allows you to select multiple options. Okay, now let us change this option. I am giving here as a football, and another option I am naming the another option as cricket, another option as cricket, and like so on you can give. If you would like to give the image as well, yes, you can provide the image as well instead of the text. Okay, now let us preview this. Okay, till here it is looking like that. Okay, multiple, this check boxes allows us to provide multiple responses. Okay, and moving forward, let us use some other fields. Okay, I am preferring on how to provide a field to upload any image or any kind of file. You need to select the file upload field. Okay, let us take the response through the drive. Then question would be like passport size image. Okay, my question is like this. Okay, and here allow only specific type of files. If you are allowing only specific type of files, you can opt that. Or if you are providing if you are providing the option to get more than one image, you can get that from this drop down. And you can specify the size of the image as well. And also, yeah, you can specify the size of the image as well. If you would like to make this field uh, required, you can turn on this button. Okay, so that it shows a red color star over there which states that it is required, that field response is required. Okay, it shows like this when you preview that. Okay, and if you would like to give the rating field as well, you can select the rating field. Okay, and I am naming this question as feedback. Okay, here so many options are available. You can take all these ratings. Okay, you can change the ratings count, and you can use different icons for the ratings. Okay, that is your preference. And let us preview this form. Yes, our form looks like this now. Okay, and these are the basic fields we mostly use in creating a form. Now you can explore more fields as well, and let us end this video by getting knowing by knowing how to share this form to the viewers. Okay, you need to use this publish. Okay, here you can type any other mail IDs. Okay, when you are trying, you can give any mail ID, so that give the mail ID and just click on the done. It will move to their mail ID. They can give the response through that form, and all the possible responses you can see here. That's all for the video. I hope you found this video informative. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.